The Ailet app is available for download on the App Store and Play Market. To log into the application, enter the username and password shared by the supervisor. After loading the reference data, you will be taken to a screen with a list of stores. Stores are displayed in order of distance from you. To search for a store, use the search bar. To filter the results, click on the search button at the bottom of the screen. To select a specific store, click on the store card in the list. You will be taken to a screen with information about the specified store. To start your visit, click on the Start Visit button. On the screen, you will see the tasks to be completed during the visit. Click on the tasks to see the details. You will see a description of activities and KPIs, as well as questions to be answered within the task. To open the camera, click the Go to Shooting button. The application will prompt you to select a sales selection before taking a photo. After selecting the sales location, the shooting screen will appear. Keep the device parallel to the shelf with the products. This will facilitate the system recognition of the product. If the device is in the wrong position, you will see a message on the shooting screen. All shelves of a vertical rack should fit in the same photo. To photograph a long shelf, take multiple shots so that one section of the shelf fits in one photo. To shoot high shelves, use panoramic shooting. Turn the device horizontally. Keep the device parallel to the shelf. Shoot the top of the shelf with as many items as possible. Then shoot the shelves below, and so on to the end of the rack. For iOS devices, you can shoot panorama in video mode. If unnecessary objects fall into the frame, crop them on the photo. Just select the cropping area on the screen, then click on the Photo button. Cropping can also be performed on the photo review screen after shooting. If you want to photograph another sales location, click the plus button. Then, choose a new sales location to take a shoot. To end shooting, click the icon to the right or click the back button. After photo shooting and receiving data on products recognition, the task detail screen will display the results on the KPI. To view detailed information, click on KPI or go to the summary report. You can see detailed information on the current visit in reports, self-share performance, assort performance, fulfillment of plans on promotions and prices, indicating assortment missing reasons. If you have any questions, you can always contact us. To do this, use the Question button on the shooting screen, or go to the Chat with Support menu item from the settings screen and write your question. Support staff will provide the necessary information promptly.